Hi everyone, I am here to explain your assignment for the Hoop Dreams. So on iLearn, I will show you where it's at. Under the week of November 9th, titled Intersection of Isms, Hoop Dreams, you are responsible for this week to watch Hoop Dreams as well as watch just read two New York Times articles. They're very brief but quite interesting. But anyways, we are not meeting for class during this week. You are responsible with your group, which is your group for your final presentation, your group project. Meet with your group and watch the film together, and then as a group respond to the viewing questions. So here's a brief summary of the film. It is roughly 3 hours, so please take that into account when you are trying to find time to meet with one another. Do know that I am giving you essentially this week to work on this assignment. So you are all free during class time. So you can absolutely meet during the time that your course section meets. But if you prefer to meet at a different time, that is up to you. So the instructions: with your group presentation members, again, that's your final group presentation, you will view Hoop Dreams as a group. You are encouraged to take notes during the film because you are going to be asked to respond to a series of viewing questions. Once your group has completed the viewing and taking notes, you will discuss the film and then answer the following 6 questions. So the 6 questions are listed here for you. Okay, so you will first discuss the questions as a group and then come up kind of with a summary of what your group talked about in response to each question. Note that if there is disagreement among group members, that's okay. For example, in past semesters, some group members often have different opinions to question 1. In terms of if you feel the boys and their families are being exploited by the school, by the scouts, those types of things. So it's okay to have different opinions. Just be sure to report on who had what opinion and kind of why they had that particular opinion. So as a group, you will type up your answers to the following 6 questions. Please make sure that the document has each group member's name on it. If any group member's name is not included on the document, the entire group will not receive credit. It's really important that each group member's name is on the document so that we can award credit to each group member. The reason being is that because only one group member needs to submit the assignment to iLearn. Okay, so on iLearn, you will be asked to submit your assignment here. Only one group member needs to submit your viewing questions, okay? Not every group member needs to. Have one member volunteer, take that responsibility. You will upload your group's responses to the viewing questions, and you will also upload some evidence, okay, that each member was present at the viewing and contributed to the write-up. So again, in past semesters, what students have done is taken a selfie of all the group members or a picture of a piece of paper that has each student's signature on it. It does not matter to me and Dr. Nick, but we need to see some sort of evidence that each of the group members was accounted for when you watch the film and discuss these viewing questions. So, be sure you are talking with your group members ahead of this week of November 9th, because your group Hoop Dreams responses are due on November 13th. And here are ways that you can go about viewing Hoop Dreams. If you have questions or concerns, please let me know.